Chernozem, also known as black soil, is one of the most fertile soil types in the world. Its name originates from the Russian words, cherno, meaning black, and zem, meaning earth. Covering vast areas of Ukraine, Russia, and Canada, Chernozem is renowned for its high nutrient content. The dark color of Chernozem is due to the rich organic matter, creating ideal conditions for agriculture. This fertile soil is able to retain moisture, providing a favorable environment for crops. Chernozem has a loose texture, allowing for strong root penetration and nutrient uptake by plants. It is particularly suitable for growing wheat, barley, corn, and other cereal crops. Chernozem also supports the growth of sunflowers, sugar beets, and other oilseed crops. The fertility of Chernozem can last for hundreds or even thousands of years if managed properly. The high productivity and reliability of Chernozem have made it an important resource for food production. The development of civilizations, such as the Russian Empire, was greatly influenced by the presence of Chernozem. The economic and agricultural significance of Chernozem has led to it being called the breadbasket of the world. However, due to human activities and climate change, Chernozem is at risk of degradation and soil erosion. Conservation efforts and sustainable land management practices are essential to protect and preserve this valuable resource. Through responsible stewardship, we can ensure the future availability of Chernozem for generations to come. Understanding the importance and characteristics of Chernozem is crucial for sustainable agriculture and food security. Now that we've explored what Chernozem is, let's dive deeper into its formation, properties, and importance in agriculture.